Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to properly install an application on your PC. So there are different ways of installing an application on your PC. So one way is installing it from Microsoft Store, which once you downloaded it, it automatically install the app. And the other is finding the app on a browser and installing it manually. So here I downloaded an app called TikTok Installer. So let's install it. Just okay, then okay. Here, let's click next. And if you're not familiar with the manual manual settings on this setting on an application, just click accept and next. Okay, and you will be fine. So it is done. It's done. Install the TikTok app. So let's try to find it if it's already. So as you can see guys, it's already installed. So that's the way on how properly install an application on your PC. Thank you.